Facebook is not a new shiny toy, but you cannot ignore its popularity with almost 3 billion active users in 2022. And with a great popularity comes great opportunity. But how do you monetize your Facebook? Because competition is another thing that comes with its popularity. Hi guys, my name is Ishaan Narang, and in this video I'm going to reveal my 4 easy and practical ways to make money with Facebook. And by the end of this video, I have something special for you guys. So stay tuned till the end. Also watch this video if you are a business, if you are an influencer, if you are just an affiliate marketer or a regular guy or girl who is looking to earn couple of extra thousands of dollars without any investment. Alright, so let's get started. But before, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for more videos like this. So the first and the most easiest way to make money on Facebook is joining a buy and sell group. There are a number of groups on Facebook that you can join and monetize. The sole purpose of such buy and sell group is to allow a member to simply sell and buy stuff there. Anyone can join this group, and once you join a particular group, it may have some rules. So buying and selling in that particular group, you should actually follow that. Okay, you can find this group easily by clicking the buy sell groups in the explore menu, and you can also search for group names to filter through the different options too. Some example of such groups are like garage sales or automobiles groups. So if you have a little product of yours that you want to sell locally, or just simply want to monetize by selling some old stuff, or so you can join this kind of groups. But as I said, every group has their own set of rules, so you better follow them, or the group admin or their moderator can delete your post or can even remove you from that particular group. So now another way to make money from Facebook is sell from your own Facebook page. Now if you have a decent audience base and you can actually capitalize by selling your any specialized service or any skill that you may have. So if you are a business, this one can actually work well for you, because a fan pages can build trust in your audience and help you have leads and sales just via your Facebook page. But make sure that you do not post only pitchy and sales posts, okay? Because your audience will not buy your product just for the sake of you telling them to buy. See, it's a whole process. You have to first post content that your audience find valuable, because if they like your content, if they follow your page, and the more they find your content valuable, the more they will actually value your product or service, and hence they will buy it. So yeah, you can actually capitalize through a Facebook page by selling your product or services there, and make sure that your page is optimized according to your goals. Alright, now another way by which you can actually make money with the Facebook is operate a Facebook group in your niche. So we have talked about joining someone else's group to make some money, but how about creating your own group? Well, it doesn't take much, but you must already know how to create a group on Facebook. May have even created one before. Let me tell you one thing. If you want to operate a group for that purpose of income generation, you must choose a niche first. A niche in which you think you have some experience or knowledge, and then can either build your own e-product or specialized services in that niche and find some good product that you can promote and earn commission. And if you have any difficulty choosing your niche, one of my earlier videos might actually help you. So you can find the link in the description box below. Okay, but what else can you do with the Facebook to make couple of $1,000s? Well, you can do influencer marketing on Facebook. I mean, like, if you think that you are popular one on FB, you have a nice audience base, and why not capitalize it by recommending some cool products? And the great part about influencer and the affiliate marketing is that you can earn by recommending even some of your daily use product that you may have recommended anyway. So as an influencer, it is better to partner for the product that you actually trust, and at least have a good knowledge of the product before promoting it on Facebook. And another important thing that you should keep in your mind while choosing a product is that it should match the interest of your audience. You can join influencers network or platforms that connect brands and influencers, or you can approach a local brand directly on Facebook. But remember, Being an influencer takes a continuous effort to build and retain your audience. But also remember that every big influencer that you see on Facebook today started as a FB as nobody. So it takes times, but once you start doing it, you can make money on Facebook easily, almost like every single day. Alright, now the final way that you can use to monetize your Facebook is sell on Facebook Marketplace. Just like the Facebook buy and sell group, you can actually go to Facebook Marketplace, but unlike the group, anybody can actually access this marketplace. So if you have some spare stuff to sell or some kind of rare or collectible items, you can use this space to sell them. A Facebook user can select the geographical area from which they see a product for sale. For instance, you can set it to display good for sale within a fixed distance of your home or from your office. So you can also filter by price. So it allows you to find buyer in your local area and you can easily connect with them. So that was all. These were some of the ways to make money with the Facebook. But wait, I have more to give you. Okay, and this is for the those who actually want more than just some occasional hits, who want to have a steady stream of online income. I invite you to join my Facebook group where I and my partner Shelly are actually going to launch a new training program which is based on our own business formula that made us six figure in the last 12 months by just simply chatting on Facebook. So join my Facebook group and get the training for free. Yeah, you heard it right. You don't have to invest a single dim. Just join my FB group to know more about the training. The link is in the description box below. And comment down if you have other ideas to monetize on Facebook, or if you have any query, I would like to answer all of them. See you in my FB groups. Cheers. Bye bye.